Welcome to this tutorial on type conversion in Kotlin. In this video, you'll learn how to explicitly convert between different data types using methods like toInt, toString, and many others. Type conversion is an essential skill when working with Kotlin, so let's dive in. Before we start converting types, let's understand why Kotlin requires explicit conversion. First, Kotlin doesn't allow implicit type conversion. This means the compiler won't automatically convert one type to another. Second, type safety prevents unexpected data loss. By forcing you to explicitly state your conversions, Kotlin helps you avoid bugs. Third, developers must be intentional about conversions. This design choice makes your code more predictable and easier to debug. Let's start with converting values to numbers. If you have a string containing the text 42, you can convert it to an integer using the toInt method. This gives you the number 42. Similarly, if you have a price stored as a string 19.99, you can convert it to a double using toDouble. This returns 19.99 as a decimal number. You can also convert between numeric types. For example, if you have pi as 3.14 and convert it to an integer using toInt, it returns 3 by truncating the decimal part. Converting any value to a string is straightforward using the toString method. If you have an integer age with value 25, calling toString on it gives you the text 25. A double value like 99.99 becomes the string 99.99. Even Boolean values can be converted. If isActive is true, calling toString returns the text true. The toString method works on virtually any data type in Kotlin. Kotlin provides several conversion methods for numeric types. The toInt method converts values to integer. The toDouble method converts to double precision floating point. The toFloat method converts to single precision floating point. The toLong method converts to long integer for larger numbers. The toShort method converts to short integer for smaller ranges. And the toByte method converts to byte for the smallest integer type. Each method serves a specific purpose, depending on the range and precision you need. Sometimes conversion can fail, especially when converting strings to numbers. If you try to convert the text ABC to an integer using toInt, it throws an exception. To handle this safely, Kotlin provides methods like toIntOrNull. When you call toIntOrNull on ABC, it returns null instead of crashing. If the string is valid like 42, it returns the number 42. A common pattern is to use the Elvis operator to provide a default value. For example, input.toIntOrNull with Elvis operator 0 gives you 0 if the conversion fails. Kotlin also provides methods for converting between characters and numbers. If you have the character 5, you can convert it to the integer 5 using digitToInt. To get the ASCII or Unicode value of a character, use the code property. The character A has code 65. You can also convert a number to its character representation. The number 7 converted with digitToChar gives you the character 7. These methods are useful when parsing input or working with character data. Let's recap what you've learned. First, Kotlin requires explicit type conversion for safety. You can't rely on automatic conversions. Second, use methods like toInt, toString, toDouble, and similar methods for standard conversions. Third, safe conversions with toIntOrNull prevent exceptions when dealing with unpredictable input. And fourth, character conversions use digitToInt and digitToChar for working with individual characters. With these tools, you can confidently handle type conversions in your Kotlin code. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.